Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Ocean View, New Jersey. Today we're going to be taking a look at our new 285 Grady-White Freedom. You can see we brought this boat in celestial blue, full hull color, 300 Yamahas in white. We have blue under the hardtop to match the hull. We'll take a look around the hull. And then we'll go inside and take a look. You can see the boarding door in the side. We will go inside and take a walk through. As we come inside the 28, you can see the aft seating, the fish box, the live well, the boarding door from the inside. This boat does have twin electric lounges, companion seat, the electric helm seat. This is a joystick boat. There's your fusion stereo. It is ready for electronics. It does have the bow table. The cushions are in storage. You can see how deep this is. Boat does have a windlass. The color of the hardtop to match the hull. Some storage. Take a look inside the head. It's a marine head with a sink, with rod storage. Once again, my name's Al Weidman. If I can help, please call me. Thank you.